How to install the YouTube app on a Windows 11 PC. This tutorial shows you how to get YouTube installed as an app directly on your PC. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to YouTube by typing youtube.com in the address bar and pressing enter. At this point, once YouTube is open, click on the three dots at the top right of Chrome to open the browser menu. From there, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. After that, click on Create Shortcut. In the next step, check the box that says Open as Window and click on Create. From there, YouTube will now be installed as a standalone app on your PC, and a shortcut will appear on your desktop. Once done, double-click on the YouTube shortcut on your desktop to open it and confirm it launches in its own window. Following this, if you want to also pin it to your taskbar, right-click on the YouTube shortcut and click on Pin to Taskbar for quick access. Keep in mind, these methods create a browser-based app for YouTube, since there is no standalone YouTube desktop app officially available for Windows. The experience will be similar to using YouTube in a browser, but in its own dedicated window. Finally, open the YouTube app from your desktop or taskbar and confirm it is working correctly and loading your feed as expected. And that's it. If this guide helped you install the YouTube app on your PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.